Hey guys, and welcome to another RYOutfitters Spotlight. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Blacktop Plus. Working out is supposed to be good for you, right? But sometimes it can lead to unwanted inflammation, joint and muscle pain, tension, or injury. Well, instead of popping pain relievers all day, wouldn't you rather have an all-natural way to fight the swelling of your muscles, promote blood flow, reduce inflammation, right at the source? Blacktop Plus has the solution you're looking for. Kinesiology tape is known for stabilizing injured areas by supporting connective tissues. This gentle lift of the tape allows for better blood and lymphatic flow, which alleviates pressure and reduces swelling. But Blacktop Plus takes this improvement to the next level using all-natural enhancements to speed up the recovery. Their Kinesiology tape is infused with menthol for cooling, capsaicin for warming, and ginger as an anti-inflammatory. These ingredients are well researched over decades of studies and have proven to make significant impacts. Blacktop Plus does offer uncut rolls of tape, but you might want to check out some of their pre-cut body part specific shapes. Some are perfect for your shoulders, knees, or hands and wrists. So whenever you have pain, Blacktop Plus has you covered there. But maybe you need some deeper muscle relief. Well, then you should check out their 5-in-1 patented travel-friendly foam roller. This foam roller is designed to give your muscles various levels of relief depending on how deep you need to go. As you can see, there are 3 distinct sections of the actual foam roller. The bigger, thicker knobs are for intense pressure like your shoulders and back, or when you feel pain and inflammation deep in your muscles. On the other end here, we have these medium-sized knobs. These are perfect for stimulating blood flow and relieving tension. Here in the middle, that's a smooth zone. The middle is simply for relaxing when your muscles are too sore to dig into. This foam roller also has storage space in the middle so you can store your tape or, whatever other fitness equipment you might want to bring with you. This tape and foam roller set could not be easier to use. Just apply the tape to the affected area, give it a solid rub and work out on the foam roller, and you should be good to go. You should start feeling results quickly and expect the tape to last for a few days as you improve. Blacktop Plus's Kinesiology tape and foam roller will help you improve your warm-ups, workouts, and even recover faster. Plus, honestly, just makes you feel great. They also donate 10% of their profits to several youth sports programs and charities to encourage these programs to grow, providing kids a safe and fun environment to be physically active. If you're looking for an all-natural recovery system that works quickly and without pain medication, then look no further than Blacktop Plus. That's it for our spotlight of Blacktop Plus's Kinesiology tape and 5-in-1 foam roller. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Give us a like, subscribe to the channel, do all the YouTube stuff. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another RYOutfitters Spotlight coming at you sometime soon.